Hi there, this is Chris Neen from Axe Finance. I'm the Group Chief Commercial Officer. At Axe Finance, what we do is we help lenders basically automate and innovate the way they manage credit and risk. What that means is that we make the whole loan process quicker, smarter, more accurate and more efficient. We have our proprietary software, which is called the Axe Credit Portal, but we tend to refer to it as ACP. And this ACP platform covers every step of the credit life cycle. So with that technology, we support a very wide range of lending segments. So that can be sort of corporate, commercial, SME lending, through to things like embedded finance, retail finance, and buy now, pay later. But where we are seeing a special sort of momentum, especially in the UK and Europe, is really in the SME lending space, where lenders are under real pressure to move faster, to be more accurate, more informed around how they make those credit and risk decisions, but also being challenged at the same time of trying to deliver that low friction, seamless customer experience. We also handle much more complex digital lending needs like credit management, collateral management, limit management, and things like early warning systems. One thing that helps our clients who use our technology really set themselves apart is the accuracy of the credit and risk decisioning that they can achieve within our ACP system. And also in the last year or two, really investing and embedding AI into everything that we do to really leverage and make the use of that data smarter and more predictive. We're also globally recognized as well in our space. We're acknowledged by the analysts at Gartner. We also in top quadrant with people like Knowledge Solutions, where we work with major financial groups like Société, Générale and OTP Group here in Europe. And these large global banks really trust Axe Finance, not just for our technology, but also with the 21 years of experience and expertise that we've built up around lending transformation. Finally, we're not just about digitalizing things like credit workflows. Because of the sort of flexibility and configurability of our solution, we're really helping our banking and lending customers with the tools so they can really rethink how they want to do this and stay competitive, stay relevant, stay compliant with ever-changing regulations. And so we talk a lot about future-proofing yourselves by partnering with us on our technology. We're sponsoring MoneyNext 2025 because we see it as one of those rare events with a real focus on lending transformation, and that's our DNA. That's what we do at Axe Finance. We've recently moved our HQ to Europe, and whilst we have some fantastic customers in Europe, we're really doubling down on the region and adding to our team here extensively. So we're looking forward to being able to talk a little bit about the work that we've been doing with the likes of Société Générale and OTP, who are using our multi-entity solution to manage really complex structures that are stay aligned both at a HQ level, but also at a regional level, but also always within sort of a single software environment, which is really powerful for some of these large, complex banking groups. But then, we're in the UK, so from a UK lender's perspective, we're seeing much stricter requirements around SME exposure, credit risk accuracy, expectations from the PRA and the FCA. Our ACP software makes sure that you are always in control, that you have full visibility, full auditability right across the credit life cycle. I think I've touched upon some of the solutions that we're delivering, and we'll have some of my team at the event. I'll be there as well, and we want to really bring those solutions to life. Be able to come and see us at our booth, E20. During our Lending Transformation Summit, we'll be running live demos of the latest version of our software. We're currently on version 9.9, where you'll be able to see sort of real-time risk monitoring, hot topics like ESG compliance that aligns with the EBA, loan origination and monitoring guidelines, and really want to tell stories of how our clients are using our technology, both in terms of the rich features and functions, but also around the cloud and containerized deployment, which really gives our customers a lot of flexibility on how they can not only use the software, but also scale with it as well. So whether you're looking at reducing time to approval for many different loan types, enabling ESG to be integrated into your lending practices, or using AI to detect early warning signals around risks within your portfolios. Our ACP solution is built for real measurable impact, and we hope to be able to show that to the people we meet at the event. You'll also see how LCP is helping UK lenders align with FCX expectations as well on credit governance as they're looking to try and scale their SME lending across some really complex environments. We'll also show how our software integrates seamlessly with other systems, giving you a consistent end-to-end view of your credit processes. So myself and the team will be on hand to share how we've achieved this successfully. Happy to share stories around the implementation, the time to market with our solutions, and how we've been able to tailor these to very different requirements from a very broad spectrum of banking clients that we have. So if you're planning some lending transformation, I'd encourage you to come and see us at our stand. Again, Booth E20 is where we will be, and be great to talk to people about what's possible within the context of our technology.